Hey guys, what's up? So, winter is almost done and spring is here. So, today we are going to do a spring innocent kind of look. So, I'm just doing, first of all, doing my correction and things. And this look is going to be focused on lips and really innocent eyes. If you don't know how to color correct, just watch my video of color correction. Just don't copy whatever I'm doing because maybe your face doesn't matches to mine, so using just any kind of color will not enhance your features. So for the base I'm mixing foundation, serum and an illuminator. I think it gives me a really kind of glassy and really thin effect because the foundation is really low and the serum and illuminators are high, so it gives me like a skin effect which I meant is really thin base. And this is how I look. So after that I'm doing a concealer just into the usual places. Then I'm obviously focusing on as much as can less product I can use, then just buffing it off with a brush. And I'm going to use a orange palette and I'm going to use a yellow shade for the inner parts of my eyes, and I'm blending it outward in like a half moon motion. And you don't obviously need to be so much focused in eyeshadow, just do as much as thin you can and blend really nicely, because I think spring makeup should be obviously really innocent and calm type of makeup. So use as much as blossom and flower colors you can use, like orange, yellow and purple, more than purple, lavenders, that will look really great. And then I'm going to do a really thin eyeliner. I'm not doing a wing, I'm not doing a puppy eye, I'm just doing it like I have done it, just doing my eye features and also doing it in my agios. My lower lashes are always need to be highlighted because I personally think my eye is the best feature in my face. Whatever is best feature on your face, highlight that. And that's how my eye makeup is done. I'm not really into that, but I will apply some glitter afterwards after I'm done with my all over eyes. And now I'm curling my lashes, so you can obviously see the difference with curling your lashes. So curl your lashes, and there are many curlers which you can buy for that. And then put on your mascara. There's many techniques of putting on mascara as well, which will really lengthen up the kind of lashes, so try to focus on that. Also, because this is a really soft look, I'm not doing a lash, but I'm doing individual lashes, so it can look as much as soft and calm as possible. Try to focus into the middle area of eyes more than the outer area, because middle lashes makes you look cuter and outer lashes make you look sexier. So whatever you want to look, you can enhance that. And I'm using my Swiss Beauty glitter shadow and highlighting my inner corners and my agios. And yeah, that's basically it for my eye makeup. Now moving on my cheeks, and from the strawberry palette I'm going to use a pink. I don't really own a blush and not interested as well, so I disgusted it by applying so much because the product is so much pigmented. So I'm blending it right now, and you need to focus it in your nose as well and in your chin as well, because these things make you look cuter. And I'm still blending the blush.
One eternity later.
Okay, so I'm done blending right now. Now I'm moving on to my lips. So super fast I'm saying you that first cover your lip and dark brown areas with a concealer. Use this kind of brush, so it will distribute really good. Then use a yellow shade and apply it all over your lips. And by all over, I mean all over. Just wear it like a lipstick, the yellow shade. Then you can blend it out. Then use a red lipstick or orange, whatever you color you like, just try to be more brighter. and apply it into the middle portion, then blend it outwards and in a how it works, let me tell you. The yellow color mixed with the your bright color whatever you're wearing, and it makes it look like a really tinted color just into the middle portion, and everything looks blended because of the yellow shadow on the outer part. So that's how I got this amazing lip color. Also, I'm using highlighter just as usual, and this is how I look, a perfect tropical spring makeup. So if you like this video, please subscribe to me and like this channel. See you next time.